Hello students, welcome to English class. In today's English class, we will be continuing with the chapter 7, the television chocolate room. Okay, so we saw that in the last class, Mr. Willy Wonka had kept 5 golden tickets in his chocolates and he sent it all around the world. 5 children who got these tickets came to visit his chocolate factory. Charlie was one of the boys. He came along with his Grandpa Joe, and there was another boy called as Mike TV. He came with his father. Okay, so Willy Wonka was showing him all his inventions, and they were in the testing room, which had a huge TV and a camera on wheels. There were tiny people called as Oompa Loompas who were working in the testing room. Okay, when Charlie saw this Oompa Loompas, he was sensing a bit of danger. Okay, he was thinking, is there something dangerous in this room? Let's see what happens now. Okay, please go to page number 66 in your Gulmohar book. Okay, let's begin with the reading. Page number 66. Mr. Wonka suddenly interrupted his thoughts. Whose thoughts? Charlie's thoughts. This is the testing room for my greatest invention, television chocolate, he cried. Okay, so when Charlie was thinking, is there something dangerous in this testing room, Mr. Wonka suddenly interrupted him. Interrupted means to stop. Okay, to stop his thoughts. Okay, he interrupted his thoughts and said, this is the testing room for my greatest invention, television chocolate, he cried. Okay, Mr. Wonka told, this is called as a testing room. Okay, the narrow white room which we spoke about in the last class, the name of this room is testing room. It is for one of my greatest invention. What is the meaning of invention? Invention is something which was not an idea which is not existing till now, but somebody is inventing it. Okay, invention means to find something new. Okay, that is, what was his invention called? Television chocolate. Television chocolate. Okay, let's read. What is television chocolate? Asked Mike TV. Okay, Mike TV asked, what is television chocolate? Then Wonka says, don't interrupt me, child, said Mr. Wonka. It works by television. Now I don't like television myself, but I know that children seem to watch it all day. Okay, so Wonka says, please don't interrupt me when I'm talking to Mike TV, and he says, this invention works by television. Okay, Willy Wonka says he doesn't like television, but these days all the kids are watching television. That is what he is saying. Mike says, that's me, said Mike. Quiet, said his father. Okay, so Mike says that he watches TV all day. Mike's father says, quiet, chup raho, don't say anything. Why did he say that? Because first time when Mike spoke, Willy Wonka said, don't interrupt me. Okay, jab wo Willy Wonka is talking, he doesn't like to be interrupted. So Mike's father told him, keep quiet, don't speak. Okay, thank you, said Mr. Wonka. Okay, thank you. Why did he say thank you? Mr. Wonka says thank you. Thank you to Mike's father for asking him not to speak, because he does not like to be interrupted. Okay, let's continue. Thank you, said Mr. Wonka. I shall now tell you how an ordinary television works. Okay, Willy Wonka is going to explain how a normal television works. He continued. At one end, a picture is taken with a large camera. Then a photograph is broken into million tiny pieces and shot up into the sky by electricity. So Wonka is explaining the kids and their guardians how a television works. He says a picture is taken with a large camera and the picture is broken up into million tiny pieces and shot up in the sky by electricity. Okay, what happens? How do they reach our television? Asked Charlie. Abhi Charlie question पूछ रहा है. How do they reach our television? Well, they hit the antenna on your roof and then flash down the wire to the back of the television set. When they reach inside, the tiny pieces jiggle and joggle till they fit together like pieces of jigsaw puzzle. That's how the photograph appears on the screen. Okay, so what Willy Wonka is telling is, टेलीविजन में कैसे पिक्चर आता है, एक बड़ा सा कैमरा है जो पिक्चर को खींचता है. The picture is taken through a big camera and the photograph is broken into tiny pieces and shot up to the sky by electricity. This is what Willy Wonka is explaining. And when Charlie is asking, ये हमारा टेलीविजन में कैसे आएगा, then he says, ये जो tiny pieces है ना, जो sky में गया है, it will hit the antenna. Okay, what is an antenna? Antenna is a receiving thing which is usually kept on the terrace. Okay, it's not that common these days, but when long back we used to have antennas for TV. Okay, antennas are kept on the terrace to get the signal. Okay, these tiny pieces of picture hit the antenna which is kept on the roof and flash down the wire in the back of the television set. Okay, आपके टेलीविजन में ऐसे पहुंचता है and once it reaches inside the television set, ये सारे pieces अपने आप को arrange करता है like a puzzle and a photograph appears on your screen. This is what Willy Wonka is explaining. Okay, let's see what happens. That isn't exactly how it works, Mike said. Mike फिर से बोल रहा है. Mike is saying that is not how a television works. Not exactly like this. Yeah, something like this, but not exactly like that. So let's see what Willy Wonka is saying. You are a nice boy, Mr. Wonka said, but you talk too much. Now then, the very first time I saw an ordinary television working, I had an idea if a photograph could be broken into millions of pieces and put together, couldn't I also send a real bar of chocolate whizzing through the air in tiny pieces and then put the pieces together at the other end, all ready to be eaten. So Willy Wonka is saying, जब उसने पहले बार एक टेलीविजन को देखा, एक नॉर्मल टेलीविजन को देखा, उनको ये आइडिया आया, क्या मैं जैसे फोटोग्राफ छोटा छोटा पीसेस होके टीवी के स्क्रीन में आ जाता है, तो मैं इसी आइडिया को चॉकलेट, बड़ा सा एक चॉकलेट को लेके उसको छोटा छोटा पीसेस करके टीवी में क्यों नहीं सेंड कर सकता हूँ. ऐसे एक आइडिया विली वोंका को आया था. ओके ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ whizzing? Whizzing means going around in the air. Okay, whizzing means ऐसे गोल गोल घूम के जाना. Okay, that is called as whizzing. Now let's see what happens. Impossible, said Mike TV. Mike TV ने बोला, it is impossible. Well, watch this, cried Mr. Wonka. Bring in the chocolate, please. He nodded. Okay, Mike बोलता है कि ये impossible है, ये हो ही नहीं सकता, टीवी में कैसे आएगा चॉकलेट. तो मिस्टर वोंका बोलता है, वेल वॉच दिस, देखो अभी क्या होगा. एंड ही ऑर्डर्स, ब्रिंग इन द चॉकलेट प्लीज. टू whom? To the Oompa Loompas. Immediately, 6 Oompa Loompas marched forward carrying the most enormous bar of chocolate Charlie had ever seen. तो क्या होगा? As soon as Willy Wonka orders, 6 Oompa Loompas will bring a huge, enormous chocolate. इतना बड़ा chocolate चार्ली ने अपने लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखा. Okay? See here. It is huge, Mr. Wonka explained, because whenever you send something by television, it always shrinks in size. When you photograph a big man, he is as tall as a pencil on the screen, isn't he? Okay, so why did Mr. Wonka order for such a big chocolate? He's explaining, saying that whenever you send something by television, जब भी आप लोग कुछ टेलीविजन में सेंड करते हो, उसका साइज छोटा हो जाता है, isn't it? एक बड़ा, एक 6 फुट का आदमी टेलीविजन के स्क्रीन में एक पेंसिल के साइज में होता है, isn't it? Have you seen? Okay, a 6 foot tall man will look like he is as tall as a pencil on the screen. इसीलिए उसने इतना बड़ा चॉकलेट लिया ताकि वो स्क्रीन में टिक टाक के साइज में आ जाएगा. Okay, he's saying when you photograph a big man, he is as tall as a pencil on the screen, isn't he? He's asking, right? We all see that on the television. Let's continue. He waved to the Oompa Loompas. Here we go then. Okay. ये सारे काम है ना Oompa Loompas करते हैं. Okay. Charlie is just, Willy Wonka is just the owner of the chocolate factory. All the work is done by Oompa Loompas. Again, who are Oompa Loompas? They are tiny people who work in the chocolate factory. He ordered the Oompa Loompas to start the process. He wanted to show Mike that this will happen. Then suddenly shrieked, "No, no, stop!" For Mike TV was standing very close to the camera. Okay, what happens? ये सब okay बोल के फिर suddenly Willy Wonka shouted, "No, no, stop!" Stop करने के लिए shout किया. What is the meaning of shrieked? Shrieked means चिल्लाना, घबराना और चिल्लाना. उसको बोलते हैं shrieked. Because why did he shriek? Because Mike TV, the small boy, was standing very close to the camera. And Willy Wonka says, "Stand back," he warned. "The rays coming out of it could break you up into million tiny pieces in 1 second. That's why the Oompa Loompas are wearing space suits. The suits protect them." Okay. So Willy Wonka wanted to show the process of bringing a chocolate on a TV screen to Mike and Charlie, but suddenly he asked to stop the process because Mike was standing very close to the camera. And he warned Mike saying that दूर खड़े रहो, इतना पास मत खड़े रहो. क्यों? क्योंकि the rays coming from the camera will break him into million tiny pieces in 1 second. And he says, ye Oompa Loompas are wearing red color space suit. We read in the last class, red color space suits. Why? Because the suits protect them from this rays, from these rays which come out of the camera. Okay. Okay, so far we have done with page number 66. So students, I want you to read page number 65 and 66 and complete the assignment which I'm going to give you. Okay, read it once or twice. Read it till you understand this chapter. You should know which sentence is said by whom, who's talking. Okay, so read as far as you are thorough with it, as many times as possible. Okay, and please complete the assignment. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.